Today, I'm gonna show you how to get Kimi K3 for only $5. And this is not some limited demo. We're going to build a real project and see how good it actually is. Kimi K3 packs a 1 million context token window, always on thinking mode, and benchmarks that go head-to-head with Opus 4.8 and GPT-5.6 Sol. It's great at coding, writing, solving problems, and building full projects. Many people compare it with Claude and GPT because it performs really well for programming tasks. But the best part is the price. You can try Kimi K3 for only $5 using the first-time Open Code Go subscription. And that makes it affordable to use a powerful coding AI. Now, getting started is very easy. Head over to the Open Code website and create an Open Code Go account. If you're a first-time user, you can get the subscription for just $5. Next, install the Open Code CLI and connect it using your API key. And that's it, we are ready to go. Now with this subscription, you get access to Kimi K3 along with a wide range of top-tier open models that you can use for real-world coding tasks. Now let's find out if Kimi K3 is actually worth it. I will select the Kimi K3 model from the list and we are ready to begin testing. Now keep in mind that Kimi K3 is a large model and each request consumes 2x more usage than most other models. Now let's start with a simple prompt. I will ask it to display my system specs and you will see how it performs. Now instead of asking simple questions, let's build something that needs real coding skills. We're going to create a fully working 3D analog watch. This project needs animations, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and good design. And I will give this prompt, and as you can see, it immediately starts thinking about the project. Just like Fable5 with max efforts, Kimi K3 spends more time reasoning to come up with a better solution. It writes the code step by step, making it very easy to follow the entire process. And here's the result, a beautiful 3D analog watch. The animations are very smooth, everything works as expected, and the entire project was built with the help of Kimi K3. Considering it costs just $5, that's genuinely impressive. Next, I told it to build something much more complex. And as you can see, it took quite a while to generate and refine the project because of its complexity. And this is the result. So if you're a developer, a student, or someone who loves building projects with AI, I think Kimi K3 is definitely worth of trying, especially if you can get started for only $5. And that's pretty much it about the Kimi K3. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.